If there's one thing that's warmer than the Bahamian sun, it's Bahamian smiles. The people of the Bahamas welcome visitors to their island home with a unique friendliness and charm. Nassau, Paradise Island, is a wonderful blend of cultures, reflecting the influences of West Africa, Spain, England, and even the American South. The result is a truly international destination. Until the Bahamas gained full independence, we were a British colony. So the official language is English and the vehicles drive on the left side of the road. Bahamians love to celebrate, and this is expressed in our music. Another amazing blend of influences from both sides of the Atlantic. So for any kind of celebration you might have, even if the occasion is time away from work, time to be together, or time to make memories, hop on over to Nassau Paradise Island and you'll be on island time in no time.